Okay, Nana, what are we going to do today?
I'm going to teach you today cool camera origami.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
It's very simple.
Yeah, even though it's difficult.
Yeah. Are you looking for already made one?
No.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Okay.
So here
what
we
do
have.
we start? Where do we start?
So here we have.
Sticky note. You can use this instead of origami paper if you don't have any.
Yes.
If you don't have any of these, you can just cut papers. Okay, what do we do, Nana?
Oh yeah. You need to fold it. What is this fold called, by the way?
A book fold.
Yeah. Do a book fold.
This is the easy way?
Yes.
I want to do
No,
this.
it's not that easy. It's not that difficult.
It's the medium way.
Yeah.
It's mediumly. It's
Because
medium.
it is sticky notes. It's just sticking.
Mm.
I didn't get the right one. Can we swap?
No thanks. I can help you.
Yeah. Can you help me?
I will.
This is a bit tricky.
No, I already did that.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Matching corners makes the perfect.
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Yes. Awesome. Awesome.
There you go.
So now this is a guide. Okay.
Okay.
Fold. So we just fold it like that. Here. Now. You
Wait
may
for
need.
me.
Yeah. Just a fold. Square. You just fold it.
You need scissors to make the hole.
Yes, you got it. Let me see if I can get a scissors. Can we use this one?
That one is not strong enough.
Let me try. Ow! You are right.
It's only folding scissors.
But it worked for me.
My turn.
Yeah.
Do you have to fold it here or here?
You need to do it here at the center.
Okay. This is not the center.
Yeah. If you open it, it's the center of the paper. But a small, tiny cut. Can I do it? Yeah. The scissors is a bit outdated. That's good enough.
It's a ripped cut.
Yours is much better actually. Mine is a little bit too big, but that's okay, isn't it?
Now can we
Oh,
unfold?
unfold, yes. Now all you have is a hole where you can really see and take a picture.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now the second. Yeah.
Wow.
Now can we go to the next step?
Yeah, you have
So-
to do envelope fold. This is envelope fold.
Is this envelope fold?
Yep.
Nice.
Do we have to cover the hole?
Yes, of course you have to.
Okay. With the envelope fold.
Yeah.
Why? Only
need
two
to.
envelope folds?
Yeah. It's easiest way is like this. Take the.
Wait. Do I have to cover the hole like that?
Yes, of course. It's like this. Okay.
How?
You can watch me doing the 4 steps. 1, 2, and then you need to fold this corner. The easiest way is follow the guideline, and then fold like that. I hope I remember all the steps.
Can you help me do mine?
Yes, of course. Yeah. The next one.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
this is nice.
I think let us do this one first.
What?
Maybe only people can see is your head. Okay.
You have to.
I hope the subscribers like your head.
You have to do this.
Yeah. See?
You have to do.
No, not like that. So you need to
This is
turn.
mine.
So now
Turn
you have
and
this,
do the
right?
same.
Turn
Do the same.
again to a book fold.
Nanu.
This is just for guides, okay? Guidelines.
Hey, where's that triangle? Where's that? You don't have that cutting triangle.
That's okay. You need to turn this side. Turn to the other side and then fold back. Yeah, that's it. Correct. I think I'm a bit fast, isn't it? Yeah, I'll slow down. You do that. Always you need to turn to the other side and then do the next step, okay? So now here you can do like this. This is also easy.
That's another square.
Yeah. And then just open this recent fold back to normal like this. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Now again, you need to do the same step which you have done
I
previously.
knew it.
Do you
Can
need
you
some
do it
help?
for me?
Yes, of course. I'll do it for you.
Do the same on the other ones.
Yeah, I think you can do that.
I can do it for you.
Yeah. Huh. If it is a little bit big paper, it'll be much more convenient. But for us, we are doing this. That's okay.
Because the important part is to have fun.
Exactly. Now remember, you're here, right?
Yep.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you did good job.
Except for that corner.
That's okay. So just make sure
You
you're
know the
creasing.
next step you have
Next step is to turn again to this side.
and then take this
Nah,
and then
nah.
fold.
One more fold.
What?
Yeah, it has too many steps. But only thing is, it's just the same step. We are repeating one side and other side.
Yeah, this is so fun.
Yeah, here. Now, open it back again. And, this is sticky. Okay.
Snap for mine.
Do the same step again. Why are we doing these many steps? You're going to see that now. So do you need a hand?
Yep.
But can you do this?
No, I can't. I'll
So the easiest way is hold these two corners and then hold it like that. And the same thing here. Like that. So we are almost there, guys. We're close.
We're almost done, and then we'll
Yeah.
have our flickering, click, click.
Now you should be here, right?
Yep.
Now if you turn this and hold this corner and hold the other corner, okay, like that, and open it up, just pull it open and turn it behind like that. That's it. Do you want me to try again? You're almost there, that's it.
What?
Yeah, it's easy. It looks tricky, but I'm going to do it one more time for you, okay? We are here, right?
Yeah.
So once you're done, you need to turn, hold this and this, and just pull it outwards.
Hey, wait,
Like that.
wait.
Like that. You want me to wait? And then like that. Okay. No need to open. I'll just. Once you are done with one step, it will be much more easy. Okay.
Okay, now.
Now you are here, right? Now you want to try? This is much more fun. Okay. Hold the two sides. Okay, this one and this one too, and then pull like that and turn, pull and turn. Like that. And that's it. You got it. This is going to be a perfect camera. But this is not looking like a camera, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's looking
There is
like a
one-
hungry bird.
Yeah, but there is one more step. See, if you see here, my camera has a bigger hole. But see, now you can see this, right? This one.
Yeah.
So all you need to do is
Which one?
this.
Huh?
See, I'm holding this and this like this. Turn around like that.
My head was in there again.
Nobody's going to see your headlights.
Like that.
Yeah. Now turn around like that. Okay. Now you can see this one, right? So just press this like that. See?
Can I see?
I'll show you. Yeah, you got it. Perfect. Good job,
My
buddy.
hands was in there. Do
Again.
the same on the other side.
Exactly. Do the same on the other side.
Repeat.
And we are almost there. So now you must be wondering what is the camera, right? Now,
Well,
are you going to show the
wait,
next
wait.
step?
I'm going to tell the next step because I already know this step.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, the next step is. Can we swap seats?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, the next step.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
She's
The
swapping
the next step is.
Yes, Nana.
Next step is we're going to take these two.
Take this and put it like that.
Fold it.
So it should fold like that.
This down.
This one down too.
And voila! You have a clicking camera.
So all you need to do is see from this camera.
Right.
Yeah, you.
All you need to do is you have to aim the person in this camera and then click this side and
Tuck.
voila! It's a clicking
It's a click.
camera.
So can you say cheese and take a picture?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get a cat. Oh, let's get this flapping bird that we have done in the other video and take a picture of this.
Yeah.
Ready?
You guys remember when we did these flapping birds, right? So there are tips on how to flap it. You just have to pull the tip. There are some tips on how to flap it. Okay, so first you have to hold the tail and neck like this and then pull them. And then take them back in there like that.
Yeah.
That's how you make the flapping bird flap.
Yeah. Can we link this video in the description below?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you guys want,
And we'll even put them on Chrome.
yes. Okay.
Okay, we'll even put them on Chrome. Okay.
Oh, by the way, what is Chrome?
The Google Chrome.
Okay.
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 Yeah, I'll show you how it clicks.
Yeah.
Bye.
Here. You need to put it here. Not there. Here's the camera. You need to do it here.
The camera of the Origami.
Click. Yeah. Can you do it here?
Yeah, I will. While saying bye.
Yeah. Do we need to say bye now?
Yeah.
Once you click that, then we say bye. Isn't it? Okay. No, not here. Here. See, here.
Okay.
Okay. Are we ready?
See you tomorrow.
Click. Good job.